How to turn on or turn off camera zoom shortcuts for 2x, 10x, or 100x on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on settings. Next, in the camera settings, we then scroll down. And then tap on camera assistant. In camera assistant, go down and tap on zoom shortcuts. From here, you can turn on or turn off 2 times zoom, 10 times zoom, and 100 times zoom. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.